Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm a technology consultant at Continuous Technologies. This is the sixth episode in the Alteryx Tips and Tricks series where we help you make your workflow reach its full potential. In this episode, we are going to be aligning and distributing tools. This is purely aesthetic. I find it useful when I'm sharing workflows with other people that they look really clean and I can understand what's going through. So having those tools aligned perfectly really helps me understand and show someone else what I'm doing with this workflow. So looking at all these tools, they're all messy. What you can do is first we'll align them horizontally. So if I draw a box around the ones that I want to align, right click, you'll see the different align functions you're able to use. So if I align them horizontally, it'll put all of those within the same line horizontally. And then distributing horizontally will make equal distance between all of those. So if I want to align these bottom ones to these top ones, I'll do the same thing here. So align them horizontally, and then I will distribute them horizontally as well. So the distribution here is still different. So you can use the vertically aligned functions. So highlighting these, I can align them vertically and they'll line up exactly with the tool above it. So as long as you're selecting the tools you want to highlight, you can edit those tools. So just a quick way to make your workflow more aesthetic is using those align and distribute functions.